Excuse me, miss. Yeah, you can sit, miss. Thank you.
Good morning, welcome to our company. This is Yang Jin. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for taking the time to come. Let's get started. Can you tell me about yourself?
Thank you for your opportunity. My name is Nadifa Hanafisa, graduate of Gajah Mada University, majoring in marketing and business. During college, I was active in the organization marketing club and have participated in several internship programs in the marketing field. I'm interested in this position because I have a great interest in marketing and want to develop a career in this field.
Why did you choose our company?
I'm interested in your company because PT Setia Kawan Group has very high quality gym equipment and PT Setia Kawan Group has the best gym award certification in Indonesia.
If you are excellent, what position would you like?
If I'm accepted in this company, I would like to be in the business marketing position.
Do you have any experience or work in this field?
I have. When I was in high school, I did activity related to marketing. For example, I marketed my merchandise to the school community.
How do you manage your time and priorities?
I use a to-do list to organize my priorities and adjust my schedule if there are sudden changes, so that I can finish my work on time.
What are your biggest strengths?
My strengths are that I'm able to communicate well with customer and I'm able to invite customer to exercise at my gym.
Then, what are your weaknesses?
My weaknesses are that I lack initiative towards my surroundings and it is difficult to work together in a team.
How do you overcome your weakness?
I usually overcome my weakness with the first one, which is to start propose new ideas, look for opportunity to take responsibility, and learn from my mistakes. Secondly, I can overcome it by learning to be active in the creative activities, learning to listen to other people's opinion, and building good relationships with other people.
If excellent, what will you do in the first 6 months of work?
The first 6 months, I want to learn the ins and outs of the company and start applying a lot of marketing in terms of buying and selling service. In addition, I would like to contribute by providing creative ideas to improve promotion. And this is my CV. You can consider it more.
Well, thank you for your time. We will contact you soon.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.